Hi guys, my name is Ilya and I'm a co-founder at Triveta.com. In this video, I will tell you how you can make some extra income by teaching others to play chess. Netflix and the Queen's Gambit have taken the world by storm. As a result, everything chess related has literally exploded. For instance, chess.com reported a 300% increase in signups right after the show aired. Now, everybody is talking about chess, everybody wants to play chess. I even uh, took my chessboard out of the cupboard and started teaching my wife how to play. Now, the problem I faced and many people are also facing is that chess is not an easy game to learn. What if there was someone who used to be the school nerd? Someone who spent days and days mastering chess before it was cool. Now, such a person would have a pretty in demand skill they could monetize, wouldn't they? They wouldn't mind spending several hours per week teaching others how to play chess, right? Now, think about it. Were you this child that preferred chess to hide and seek? Or maybe you were this teenager reading Capablanca into the night. Or maybe you were always dreaming to be the next Bobby Fischer. If you see yourself in any of these or many other chess geek examples, maybe there is something here for you. Identifying the need for your services is the most important step. But what else is there to it? Well, it's not just about watching an online video, sorry. You have to actually do some work. So, first of all, you have to find some online platform or some way in which you can provide chess lessons and get paid, right? So, take this as done, in my opinion. I highly recommend that you use Triveta.com because Triveta.com is the go-to solution for meeting clients online. Over there, you can host chess video lessons and get paid. You can get the payment prior to the meeting, throughout the meeting, or after the meeting. It's up to you. And most importantly, you can also create a website with Triveta.com. Why is this important for my chess lessons, you may ask? Well, it's because of point number 2. The second thing you need to do to market yourself. Well, how are you gonna tell the others that you're providing chess lessons? You have to explain and you have to give them some more information and so on and so. However, the easiest way is to just send them a link and let them know this is me, this is what I'm doing. Now, if you don't trust me, you can check out my website. It's ilia.triveta.com. I created it in 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. That's why it's a bit bad. However, it gets the job done. So, with Triveta.com, you can create your own website, you can host the video, and you can get payments. Now, how do you market yourself once you have a website? Well, pretty easily, I would say, as compared to when you don't have a website. You just post on Facebook, post on Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever you find suitable, wherever you're active. Tell your friends about it, tell friends of friends. This is the first step. Second step, find places where people are talking about chess. Such places are the forum of chess.com, the forum of lightchess.com, and many others. So it's full of people talking about chess on the internet. There's definitely a bunch of subreddits about it. Promote yourself there, tell them what you're offering, tell them the kinds of services and tactics that you can teach them. Finally, think about schools. You can go to your local school and you can ask if they have a chess club. If they don't, why not start the chess club in the local school? Alternatively, you can go to any school, you can write to any school and tell them, I can be your online chess instructor. Parents will love it every parent would prefer their child playing chess instead of Fortnite, wouldn't they? So, who is your target customer? Generally, anyone interested in chess. However, if we have to dig into the data, 22% of all players on chess.com are female, while 78% are male. This changed a bit after Queen's Gambit um, came to life, and currently 27% of all players are female, while 73% are male. However, it is safe to say that 3 out of 4 of all chess players are male. This trend is changing, and that's why Queen's Gambit is so great. However, if you're looking for a target customer, it's much more likely to look for a male student. Here are some extra thoughts that didn't fit the general structure, but I still think are very important. First of all, if you're going to teach children, make sure they're above the age of 13. There are some regulations in the US, such as COPPA, which regulate the creation and use of online accounts by children below the age of 13. And you don't really want to get into the compliance of it, I am sure. So just make sure they're above 13. Number 2, play on chess.com and other platforms, annihilate your opponents, and then send them a link to your website and be like, I can teach you to be a better chess player. Now, I don't know if this is going to work because they totally hate you after you have crushed them. However, it's worth the try. Also, be mindful of the terms and conditions of each of the platforms that you play. I haven't read them. I don't know. Sounds to me there shouldn't be anything like that over there, but maybe it is. I don't know. Number 3, provide free chess lessons. This always works, always works. Provide free chess lessons. First lesson is free, and then you start getting paid. This always works because nobody's going to trust you right away, right? Okay, so number 4, make sure you know the most common things about chess. You have to know all the chess openings that are mainstream, especially the Queen's Gambit. If somebody comes to a chess lesson to you and asks about Queen's Gambit and you don't know it, this is a very, very red flag, very big red flag. Nobody wants a chess teacher that doesn't know what the Queen's Gambit is. So make sure you're prepared. And number 5, Bobby Fischer, Garry Kasparov, Magnus Carlsen, my favorite influencer. All of these people are very famous in the chess world. Many people know them, and they know them because they're particular in some way. They're very good chess players, but they're also very interesting people. Their stories are very good content that you can use to have a more captivating lesson. Just tell these stories to your students. They will absolutely love it. Okay. So, do you think this is a good side hustle idea? Do you think this is a good business idea? Can you do it? Or am I wrong about everything? Please hate me in the comments. And thanks for watching, and until the next side hustle idea. Alright, I'm most definitely not the first person to come up with this idea. However, I will be a person sharing an online side hustle idea every other day. The name of the series is Side Hustle Ideas and will continue for as long as I've got ideas. If you have your own idea, head to triveta.com and make it happen.